Now we will start a presentation about the Intercontinental Confederation for Chamber of Commerce and Enterprises. So kindly have a look. If you have any question, you can pen down, because it is a life-changing opportunity. We are having an opportunity to offer in Telangana. So I will take 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes, and we'll go through with the slides. If you have any question, we can take in a one-to-one. So let us start the presentation. Yeah. This is a Section 8 company called Intercontinental Confederation for Chamber of Commerce and Enterprises. We have incorporated this company in February, and this is a logo. This is about me. Myself is Jiten Shah. I have done BSc Micro, and I have been associated with more than 25 chambers out of the country. And I was a branch manager with SBI Life Insurance Company. So this is my short introduction. Next, sir. Yeah, the vision of the company is to strengthen global economy by promoting and facilitating multilateral trade and investment of $500+ billion. The mission of this company is to encourage and empower chambers and entrepreneurs to successfully expand their horizon globally. And the objective of this federation is to establish and consolidate the first ever largest federation of the world. तो कहने का मतलब ये जो सेक्शन 8 कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट किया है, उसका विजन हमारे जैसे जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है उसको एनकरेज करने का है. एंड वी आर गोइंग टू हैव अ कॉमन प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल चेंबर्स. नो इंडिविजुअल कैन बिकम मेंबर ऑफ दिस फेडरेशन. Only chamber and industry association can become member of this federation. We are going to facilitate and promote more than $500+ billion trade of the multilateral trades. Next, sir. The object behind the incorporation of this company is to promote and protect the trade, commerce and manufacturers, exporters, traders and professionals, to watch and protect the general commercial interest in any part thereof and in interest of person, the consider all questions connected the trade, to collect and circulate statistic and other information related to trade. These are the incorporation's objects. So when we are going to incorporate Section 8 company to MCA, they are asking for the objects. So these are the objects where we are going to work under these objects. Next, sir. Next. We will take objects later. Yeah. Next. To subscribe to become a member of and cooperative with any other association, whether incorporated or not, whose objects are altogether in part similar to those of this chamber, and to procure from, communicate to any such association such information as may be. Next, sir. There are 2,000+ board in India. So the similar way we are going to have such kind of boards in 195 countries. So there are different kind of boards in this federation. So there are board of director, governing board, country development board, zonal development board, state development board, and each state development board we are having 71+ clusters. So we can become a member of the clusters, and we can also become a part of the development board of this federation. Next, sir. These are the different sectors. So we have defined all the MSME into different 71+ sectors. So I can name a few of them, like agriculture, banking and finance, brand and product management, chemical, child development, commerce and industries, communication, education, export import, external affairs, happiness and well-being, healthcare, home affairs. Next, sir. Next. Rural and urban development, science, technology, skill entrepreneurship, statistic, supply chain management, telecommunication, textile and apparels. These are the 71+ clusters. So we are having such kind of 70 clusters in all the states. So you can connect with the similar trade people in different states. And also within the same, you can connect with the 195 countries entrepreneurs. Next, sir. These are the eligibility, which kind of people we are looking for, who can become a part of the federation. So we are looking for entrepreneurs who have 10 years or more experience in entrepreneurship. They must have their strong business profile, excellent communication and networking skills, ability to multiply their export turnover. यहाँ पर बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिसको खुद के बिजनेस को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, या तो अपने एक्सपोर्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, दे कैन ऑल्सो बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फेडरेशन. Representation across large geographic areas, willingness to support the entire MSME community worldwide. तो ऐसे लोग जिनको MSME के लिए कुछ काम करने में इंटरेस्ट है, सिर्फ खुद का बिजनेस नहीं लेकिन लोगों के बिजनेस को डेवलप करने के लिए भी कोई नोबल कॉज के लिए काम करना चाहते हैं, दे कैन ऑल्सो बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फेडरेशन. They should passionate to work for a noble cause, vision to create brand awareness and recall for your company in 30+ states. बहुत लोगों से मेरी बात हुई जिनकी प्रोडक्ट अच्छी है या तो उन लोगों को तेलंगाना से बाहर अपना खुद का नेटवर्क डेवलप करना है. तो विद इन 30 states in India and 195 countries, if you want to connect with people or entrepreneur, you can become a part of this federation. Also leadership quality to lead fellow entrepreneurs to introduce with this ICCC Global. Next sir. These are the proposed organogram of this federation. So सबसे पहले आएगा board of directors, then we have a governing board, then we have country development board. Under country development board we will have a 7 continents different board. So if somebody has a good connect in Europe, he can become a part of the Europe International Country Development Board. Then after we have defined or divide the 6 international zones here in India, different zones. And all the zones, they will have a state development board. On the state development board, we will have 70+ councils. And all these councils will have international and national different boards. So in total, if we take in India, we will have more than 1 lakh people after 2 or 4 years. So it is a new company and we encourage and empower people to join federation and work for a noble cause. Next, sir. This you can also become a board of the director because this is a new company. We are looking for people to come, grow and qualify as a board of directors. So you can join this company as an advisory board, as a sectoral council, as a state development board, and you can grow up to a board of director level. Next, sir. Board members benefit. So if we become a founding development board member with this federation, what kind of benefits we are going to take? So this is a federation, it's not a networking or it's not any another group or not a multi-level marketing company. This is a federation and always the federation will have a global recognition than any another organization in the world. So this kind of benefits we are offering. Your personal brand equity conveyed through videos, interviews throughout the world, through this platform of the federation, listing of your business, advisory and consultancy services, ICCC platform for project development support in respective fields, networking and business promotion opportunity to be a part of fundraising festivals, opportunity to become a guest speaker as a ICCC conference, expo, seminars and workshops. So such kind of opportunity you will have if you become a member with this federation. Next, sir. Benefit from ICCC 71+ NISTR clusters, opportunity to present yourself as a leader and expert in your business niche, opportunity to gain mileage by becoming a sponsor and becoming a part of ICCC World Business Directory, which we are going to distribute in major chambers, embassies, high commissions worldwide. So if you are a part of this federation, your business either we can, your name and fame, go to the 195 countries, all the diplomats and bureaucrats. Next, sir. Free subscription for email service. So a lot of time we want to know about the different government schemes and projects about the in our sectors. So you will have a different and email services, free subscription of the email services in the area of your interest, and certificate of export documentation including certificate of origin, visa recommendation letter for business promotion, and bonus and compensation in the form of discount. So when people join the federation and if they help other people to join the federation and they start giving their own time, money and efforts, company will give them annually around 2 lakh to 30 lakh rupees for the first year. Next, sir. These are the founding development bomber. We have started presentation in month of June or July. In the month of July, I have done more than 17 presentations and more than 850 people across India have been gone through with this presentation. Right now we have 14 members who has joined this federation. So we are looking for people in all the states of the country to form the India. First the India, then after we go to the major countries from 195 countries. So there are Mr. Niti Kadia from Telangana has already joined the federation. So if someone is a local and if they want to connect, either they want to ask something, they can contact Mr. Niti Kadia. These are few people they have make a decision to become a founding member with this federation. Next, sir. Joining process यही है कि you have now seen this presentation. If you have any question, you can ask for the email. We will give you the detail of the federation, and if you want, you can make a decision whether you are fit for this role or not. If you are fit for this role, you can join the federation as a founding development board member. Next, what are the membership investment? So right now we are charging $1,000, and after January it will be a 2,000, and after July 1 year it may be around 2 lakh rupees. So over the 6 month or 9 month it will increase up to $1,000 to $2,000 for the first one membership. It is not a membership, but we are offering position to the entrepreneurs. It's not a normal membership. It comes with lot of benefits and privileges. Next, sir. What are the future plan? Because we are a new company, we have future plan for 3 years. So for the first year, we are going to formulate the entire India, like State Development Board, Zonal Development Board and Country Development Board. We are going to have one exhibition in next February in Nairobi, Kenya. And after, within 1 year, we are going to launch the portal for this federation. And after 1 year, we are going to proclaim this federation in Singapore, either London, in the presence of 150 plus countries, dignitaries and bureaucrats. So अभी ये फेडरेशन शुरू नहीं हुआ है, 1 साल के बाद ये शुरू होगा. 1 साल में हम लोग इसका फॉर्मेशन करें इंडिया के अंदर. This is the first year plan. Next, sir. Next year we are going to collect 1,000 plus people from 195 countries. People can be a part of the President House. They can be a member of Parliament. They can be a presidents, deputy presidents, and VIP, and सक्सेसफुल एंटरप्रेन्योर फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड. तो 1000 ऐसे लोग होंगे इंडिया के बाहर जो लोग इस फेडरेशन को सपोर्ट करेंगे, इंडियन एमएसएमई को उनकी कंट्री में डेवलप करने के लिए. दे एनकरेज, एम्पावर एंड दे प्रोवाइड हैंड होल्डिंग. तो ऐसे 1000 लीडर्स लोग इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर दूसरे साल में आएंगे 1 साल के बाद. तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि अगर 1000 लोगों का आपके पास एक्सेस है तो किसी भी कंट्री में जाना हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. ऊपर से ये अगर आपके पास ये एक्सेस है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प अदर पीपल टू ग्रो देयर बिजनेस इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. नेक्स्ट, सर. नेक्स्ट, या दिस इज लास्ट ईयर प्लान. In the 3rd year, we are going to have our own offices in major countries from 195 countries, and we are going to start our services through the chambers. So we open the federation for chambers to become a member, and we provide certain different kind of services to entrepreneurs through this platform of the chamber. So we can say this federation is a common platform for international and national chambers. तो दुनिया की भी जितनी भी चेंबर है वो एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर आ जाएगी. तो इंडिया के किसी भी व्यक्ति को इंडिया के बाहर जाके बिजनेस करना है तो अगर ये इस फेडरेशन के साथ जुड़ा हुआ है या तो मेंबर है तो ही कैन डू अ बिजनेस वेरी वेल. नेक्स्ट, सर. किसी को इसमें कुछ पूछना है या तो इस फेडरेशन के बारे में किसी को जानना है या तो अभी कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर करना है तो हम वी आर ओपन. Right now we have started talking to people. In India we have 14 people has joined this federation. So this federation we are looking for 50 to 60 people will qualify for country development board. 350 people will qualify for zonal development board, and around 1500 people will qualify for state development board. तो वी आर लुकिंग ह्यूज क्रेडेंशियल्स फॉर देम. तो जो भी स्टेट डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड, कंट्री डेवलपमेंट बोर्ड में मेंबर बनेगा, मे बी ही विल बी अ हाईली इन्फ्लुएंस पीपल इन देयर स्टेट आफ्टर 2 or 3 years. सो राइट नाउ वी हैव 14 पीपल ओनली. मिस्टर नीति कड़ा क्या मे कॉल मिस्टर नीति? या एनी अदर क्वेश्चन, सर? यू वांट टू आस्क एनीथिंग? या ही हैज ऑलरेडी टेकन डिसीजन and he become a founding member. So local people can also contact Mr. Niti Kadakia if they want to join the federation. If you want to ask something, if you have any questions, you can also ask me. Sir, next. This is my number. If you want this, you can take a photograph. So this is my number. You can also ask me anything. I am here for more 1 or 2 days. So anybody who want to make difference in others' life, और जिनको पद और प्रतिष्ठा की ज़रूरत है, उनको लगता है कि पद और प्रतिष्ठा अगर हमारे पास रहेगी तो खुद के बिजनेस को डेवलप कर पाएंगे और लोगों को भी हम सपोर्ट कर पाएंगे 195 कंट्रीज में डेवलप करने के लिए, तो दे कैन बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस फेडरेशन. Thank you very much, Avinash ji, for giving me an opportunity to present the ICCC, the new Section 8 company, which is Section 8 not-for-profit NGO. Thank you.